Hi. Hello friends, in today's podcast we are going to learn about heat and temperature in very simple and easy to understand format. So first question is, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy. It's what makes things warm or hot. For example, when you sit near a fire, you feel warm because heat energy from the fire moves to your body. When you touch a hot cup of tea, heat moves from the cup to your hand. Think of heat as the energy that flows from something hot to something cold. Now question comes in our mind that what is temperature? Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. It's like a number or a measure of how much heat is in something. For example, if you have ice cream, it feels cold because it has a low temperature. If you have hot soup, it feels hot because it has a high temperature. We measure temperature with a thermometer in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Difference between heat and temperature. Heat is the energy that moves. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. Example, think of a frying pan on a stove. The stove gives heat to the pan and the temperature of the pan increases. If you find this podcast episode interesting, then explore our science books also at Amazon, Flipkart and our website www.chemistrynoteinfo.com. Thank you to listening this podcast. You are really have curious mind.